This is Andy's World Journeys. Hey, Andy here, Andy's World Journeys. Yes, I'm in Adelaide, and today we're going to have a look at some of Adelaide's interesting buildings, the River Torrens, which you can see in front of me, and we're going to check out unique Opal mine, an Opal store and jeweller on Rundle Mall, and chat to someone who works there. Over here we have Festival Hall, which is a sort of it looks like a bit of a 1970s sort of design, doesn't it? Over there, check out this colonial building. That's a nice building. And over here we got the Opal mine, unique Opal mine, and and Haigh's chocolates, fine chocolates. Seriously, they look like they are super fine chocolates. It's a very special store, Haig's. Anyway, over there, this amazing colonial mutual life building with a couple of snaps on the old camera Rooney. So I couldn't help but notice walking down Rundle Mall how there's a lot of Opal shops. So I thought I'd check out one. I'm here at the unique Opal mine, and I've got Elijah here, and he's going to show me downstairs, which is where they cut the opals.
That's right.
Shall we go?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, folks. Wow. It's almost like a museum.
Yeah, it's a mould of an actual mine from Cooper Pedy. So we've got all real opals in the wall, set up just like an actual mine.
Wow. And so where do you get most of the opals from?
So we get them from all over Australia. Most of our opals come from Cooper Pedy, which is here in South Australia, but we buy opals from all the miners in Australia. So one's from up in Lightning Ridge in New South Wales, and one's from Winton and Yower in Queensland. So we buy all directly off the miners.
And I've noticed there's quite a few opal shops around this area, this end of Rundle Mall. Is there a reason for that, or?
No, I think everyone just sees it and they want to be in direct competition. So if someone comes in our store and they want to go to see what else someone else has, it's a quick walk. So if someone comes to that store and they look, they don't like the stuff, they'll come here and they'll find something better.
And how long has this store been here?
This store's been here for around, I think, 37 years. My boss is upstairs, bought it around 10 years ago, so we've been here for 10 years.
No worries. And they cut the opals over there to put in pendants and earrings and all that?
Opal cutting station. We cut, polish and do everything here.
Do you personally do that, or are you just in the retail side?
I personally am an apprentice at the moment, so I'm my first year apprentice.
Fantastic.
So I'm learning the trade. I've started to do a little bit of opal cutting, just slowly learning how to do everything.
Fantastic. Wow, so this is where it all happens. I love
This is where the magic happens.
This is really cool. It'd be a cool place just to work down here.
Yeah, it's nice and cool on a hot day as well. It's good.
It would need to be. No worries. Well, thanks a lot, mate.
Oh, good.
Thanks for joining me for this video. Take care wherever you are, and may the journey never end.